but it's okay. The lobster and the crabs and the shell, I am already full. Happy Valentine's, everyone. We're gonna eat lobster. Magmukbang tayo. Masarap. Not too spicy. The taste is very good. Delicious. That's good, Ibi. The sauce is also good. Luckily, I asked the Indonesian ate. I said, your chef is changed. I don't know where did I get the seafood sauce last time. Then she said, here ate. Hopefully we don't have allergy today. I don't know where did I put my medicine. Oh my god. Cross finger please. Otherwise my eyes will gonna get smaller and red. Masarap kumain pag nagkamay, di ba? Masarap. Cut it with this. Supposed to be like this. This one. Do it like this. This is the use of, but the orange one more better. The orange one, try it. I guess this one still have something inside. All I know. See? A lot. Why you're eating it? That is not a fish.
Flavor.
In Philippines, there is one place in Davao. There is one delicious food. There is one restaurant with the delicious seafood. Like everything is the fish egg. You choose if what they gonna cook. If they make paksiw, they make adobo, they make grill. But everything is egg fish. also there is one place they called Hilltop. You do the fishing and they cook it for you. Oh, ow, ow. That's why I need a new phone, because if I do the YouTube and I do the Facebook, bye. See you later.